Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing SPY, QQQ, SONN, FNGR, Mmtlp Gdvm Wlan Cgra, WYNN, and RUM. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. The video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational and educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. So click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. You can sign up for our alerts via your email and your mobile. Mobile is the fastest way to get our alerts. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1+ area coded number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which will include a link to download the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I cover in these videos. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. So tomorrow is going to be a big day. We got the FOMC decision at 2 p.m. and then we got the Jay Powell press conference at 2:30. The last FOMC rate decision, I had asked you guys to leave comments. Only 2 people left comments. If you were looking for me to do a live FOMC trading session without that comment, without the support from the community, it seems like you guys are busy, weren't interested, so I will not be doing a live session tomorrow, but I will be trading it. If I see some actual ideas, if there is time, I will send out an alert. But the way that I will be trading it, I'll be trading it with options and leveraged ETFs. The SPY, the 380 puts closed at $1.50 today. The 390 calls closed at 91 cents. But one way you can trade this, if you don't like trading options, you could trade it with the leveraged ETFs. SPXL is the 3X SPY bull shares. SPXS is the 3X bear. TQQQ is the Ultra Pro leveraged NASDAQ ETF, and then SQQ is the Ultra Pro Short NASDAQ ETF. And these almost every day with the market, there are trading opportunities. We go over here and we look at our day trade setups. I have charts set up here like this, and you can see this is the 15-minute for TQQ, SQQ. Here is SP. Which one is this? SPXL, and then SPXS. So if you look over here and you look at the 15-minute, you see the opportunities just in today. Here, this was the SQQ, the 15-minute opening range, which I've been talking about a lot, was as high as 50.33, and then it broke out from there, ran all the way to 53. So I used to use a lot of futures trading. I do that for overnight if I want to get into the market. But these you could trade through Webull. There is a link in the description. You can sign up for free stocks and trade from 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. With the link in the description. Click in the description and go and sign up on Webull for free stocks and to be able to trade options on the SPY, QQQ, any other options you want to trade. Then you've got the SPXL, SPXS, TQQQ, and SQQQ. So that's how I trade. That's what I'll be trading tomorrow. If I see an actionable idea, I will send an alert out. But if you are trading these or want more information, please leave a comment, guys. I read all the comments. I am here to try and help you guys as much as possible. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but feel that it helps you guys in your trading decisions. On the watch for tomorrow are a couple of names. SONN, we talked about this one in last night's video. Continuing the momentum, up 46%. We have the company has a webcast at 8:30 a.m. just before the open. I will be on that webcast and I will updating subscribers. There's just 4.87 million shares in this float, $14.4 million market cap. Nice follow through today. RSI is a little bit overbought, but if the news tomorrow on that webcast is really, really hot, we're going to explode today's range. We got as high as $3. We're trading. We closed at 283, trading at 295 in the after hours, above 3, and we're going to get a real nice short squeeze in SONN. So again, we send out all these updates, so click the link in the description. I send out what via email and SMS for what we see as actionable ideas for our subscribers. FNGR, I've been talking about this one all last month. We got in at $1.05. I told everyone to take profits above 9, dip down to 5, making another climb. We're getting up here around resistance. So again, this one here, the volume has leveled off a little bit, waiting for a PR, but certainly still holding up well here in FNGR. Mmtlp, this is a very interesting play. There's just a lot of misinformation going on about Mmtlp, and I really suggest so there's the Reddit thread. I will include the link to the description so that you can read about this and do your own due diligence on Mmtlp. But it really all comes down to what's happening with the S1. Mmtlp will be rolled into Next Bridge Hydrocarbons. But the important thing to understand here is the FUD that is going on about this. Where is it? We're going down here. So there is no need for you to send a proxy or anything. But here, this is the key here. The Series A preferred stockholders will not be required to pay any consideration for the common stock they receive in the spinoff. Immediately after the spinoff, all shares of Series A non-voting preferred stock of Meta shall be canceled. So Mmtlp, all these shares are going to be canceled. And if you go and look at the FUD and everything that's been talked about, Torchlight Energy, it merged, it became, and then with Meta bought Torchlight, and then they issued the preferred stock of Mmtlp. Been a lot of shorts in this position for a long time, but with Mmtlp going to be canceled, they have to cover. They have no choice. And I'm not going to get into price targets or how high this is going to go into, because again, there's a lot of FUD going on here. There's FUD happening on both sides, bull and bear. I'm not taking a side here. I'm just trying to give you the facts. And the fact is, on this S1, Mmtlp will be canceled. The shorts have no choice but to cover. But I'm not into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. I do believe you guys should always be booking profits. But here, you've had this, a lot of the day traders, momentum players got in here, and then you had the profit taking. This here is accumulation. This is the shorts covering here. And they've been, forced to cover each day. The stock has been just on a tremendous uptrend since 350. It's a double. And if you look at the insiders, they're not selling. The hodlers, there's a lot of diehards in this. They are not selling. So, we're not in either camp. We're not a diehard. We always believe in taking profits. But this one here is certainly one that you should have on your radar if you're not already in it. I don't know where this thing goes, but I just know that once the shares, with the shares going to be canceled, there's going to be, a lot of panic going on by the shorts. So certainly there's already panicking going on here, and, Are we going to get that blow off top? I think we will. Where the price goes, I don't know. So certainly one to pay attention to is Mmtlp if you're not already in it. Gdvm, just been an incredible run here. It's microcapdaily.com is out with an article today. Certainly interesting here. Golden Developments Inc. Reverse merger heats up as new CEO affects massive share reduction and shorts get trapped. Melvin, he is the controlling shareholder of Gdvm and CEO. He's also the CEO and president of VMost Technologies. VMost is a Cisco partner. There's their website, VMost, VEEMOST.com. I highly, very professional website. These guys really look, it looks like he knows what he's doing. But what I really liked is when I went and looked at Melvin's Twitter handle. He said on September, Gdvm majority control acquired and all outstanding debt purchased. I also purchased 12% of outstanding shares and returned them to the Treasury. No dilution will occur. I'll be sharing updates soon with everyone on our new journey. He hasn't said anything since September 21. I take that as a good sign. This is not a promotional CEO that we usually see on the OTC. This guy's just putting out facts. He's doing his job. And, if you go back to when he put out that tweet, September 21st, where was the stock? The stock was at a penny and a half when he put that out. And, it's just been uphill ever since. He's doing what he should be doing as an OTC CEO or any CEO of a public company. He's working behind the scenes to build shareholder value. So, I've been talking about this one since last week. Impressive chart. And there's a lot of new players that are just discovering this one. Volume starting to pick up. So this one can go a lot higher because it's been really underfollowed. On StockTwits, there's just 246 followers and has just a $15 million market cap. So certainly going to be things happening here, reverse merger plays. What is he going to do with this company? The new CEO, Melvin, he is certainly someone to watch. So certainly exciting things to watch here with Gdvm. Next up is WLAN, been an absolute runner here over the past week. This one has just also a $14.8 million market cap, 551 followers. I'm getting ready to drop major DD on WLAN. Click the link in the description if you want our full report on WLAN. Certainly this is another reverse merger play. A lot to like what's happening with WLAN. CGRA, big runner on the OTC, up 57%. Nice blow off top today here. Expecting some more follow through tomorrow, but we've been covering this one since the middle of the month. We said OPEC cuts production. Here's 3 OTC energy stock plays. CGRA was at the top of our list, and CGRA was out with a tweet today. We're still tracking to close a transaction initially set for month end. The company is working to file its quarterly early this week as part of the conditions to close that came up in DD. Otherwise, we are awaiting buyer instructions. So big things about to happen with CGRA, and the stock has been reacting accordingly. So nice action here. Congrats to all subscribers who have banked in CGRA. Lastly, 2 plays, 2 big caps that we've talked about. Well, first is WYNN. I talked about this one in last night's video. I said Tillman Fertitta, he acquired 6.1% stake. Today, there's news out of China that they're convening a committee to reduce their COVID-0 policy. That is good news for WYNN's Macau properties, which have basically been shut due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the China COVID-0 policy. So if they remove that, the floodgates will open. Chinese will pour into Macau to gamble. And prior to COVID-19, that's where WYNN made most of its money, was in Macau. So if that opens, this stock is going to go on an absolute tear. I said to everyone, I own WYNN. This is a long-term play for me. So again, nice action here, and congrats if you listen, not investment advice, but just educational purposes only, if you followed my thoughts on WYNN. Lastly, guys, WYNN is RUM. I've been talking about this one last week. Once I said it bottomed out here at 7, got in about 8. We're at 1330. So again, congrats if you followed me into Rumble, RUM. I think this one has a lot more room to run. A lot of excitement about what's just happening in social media. They're building something there with Rumble as an alternative to YouTube, and with Elon buying Twitter, there's a lot of value to eyeballs. So I think Rumble is an undervalued asset, as where it's still here at 1330. So Rumble, I really like this one for the long term as well. But with that being said, right now in NASDAQ penny stocks, a lot of these are day trades, swing trades, good for just either day, intraday trading, overnight, or 2-3 days max is what I'm seeing. OTC, there's more steady climbers, under the radar plays. I have a few OTC plays on my radar, getting ready to send out a complete report to subscribers of these under the radar plays. So it's all about getting in before the crowd. That's where you can make the 100, 200, 300, 510x on the OTC. So like the action I'm seeing on OTC, particularly with Gdvm, WLAN, CGRA, Mmtlp, there's a lot to like, and people who are banking on the OTC. If you are not banking on the OTC, that means you are just in the wrong plays. If you want to get in the right plays, click that link in the description, or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. With that being said, I expect a quiet day before Fed, the FOMC announcement, and then there's going to be fireworks, going to be a lot of action. So again, if you want to take the morning off, you can, and then just get ready for FOMC, and we'll be updating subscribers as soon as we see something actionable for you guys. With that being said, good luck tomorrow, and I'll be coming live to you tomorrow after the bell with the new video update. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.